In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off background data usage in Microsoft Edge so your browser stops running extra processes when it's closed. This is a simple but effective way to reduce background activity, save system resources, and keep Edge from using data when you are not actively browsing. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, also known as Settings and More. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Edge's settings. From the menu, click on Settings. That will take you to the full settings page. On the left sidebar, find and click System and Performance. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps options related to startup behavior, system usage, and background activity. Now, under the System section at the top, look for the option that says Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Turn that off by switching the toggle off. This is the key setting that stops Edge from continuing to run in the background after you close it. Next, scroll a little if needed and find Startup Boost. Turn this off as well. Startup Boost is designed to help Edge launch faster by keeping certain processes ready in the background. But if your goal is to reduce background data usage and lower resource consumption, disabling it is a smart move. Once both settings are turned off, you can close the Settings tab. From this point on, Microsoft Edge will be much less likely to keep running background tasks after you exit the browser. That means less background activity, less unwanted data usage, and a lighter load on your device overall. If you ever want to turn these features back on later, just return to the same System and Performance section and switch the toggles back on. So that's it. You've now turned off background data usage in Microsoft Edge by disabling background apps and Startup Boost. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.